All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at the Rode Interview
Wait,
Go.
do it again. I lost focus. Hold on. Okay.
Can't work with these fucking amateurs, man. All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at the Rode Interview Go handheld adapter wireless Go. So as you can hear right now, we're actually using the Rode Wireless Go right now to record this video. And this is a product that I kind of love and hate because when it does work, it works pretty amazing. You know, you get high audio quality, you know, it's easy to set up. You just charge it through USB-C. But sometimes it just doesn't work. Like if you're in any place like New York City, for example, where there's a lot of, you know, wireless signals going on, it just doesn't work that well. Even when I'm like the middle of nowhere, sometimes it just doesn't work. But when it does work great. So this is an amazing product that we got for it. Which we got is this is pretty much a plastic casing for the microphone that we have here. So what it does is that it takes this lavalier mic and you just put it in this casing and then it becomes a handheld mic. So let's open this puppy up and see how it is, all right? Okay, I'm just gonna litter all over the street, don't mind me. I will definitely pick it up after we're done here. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip it open. Now you might be asking why we're shooting this in the middle of the night, and there's a very important reason for that, which is that we were watching Meet the Spartans, which is an amazing movie still to this day. But right here, wow, it just comes out right there, and there we go. We got the Rode handheld mic right here, and it's a pretty decently big box. I don't know if there's anything else inside. I don't think there is, because I don't think you need anything else. So let's just take the microphone out of here right now, and let's put it on and see how it is. So what we do is we just take this casing right here, and then we just take the dead cat off. And then we could just slide this in here where the clip is. Boom. Okay, and there we go. Now we have a handheld mic. How does this sound, cameraman?
It sounds pretty good.
There we go. Now we got a handheld mic that we can use anywhere. Let's do a distance check, actually. I'm gonna walk far away with it. Damn, I forgot my coffee, so I might pass out in the middle of the way. But I'm walking away here. And as you can see, even though we're pretty far away, it's still working great. Are we still getting audio? There you go, perfect. Getting audio, but we are kind of shooting in the middle of nowhere. We're just shooting in a suburb. So, should be safe. Here, don't walk towards me. We're doing... Oh, it's cutting out? Okay, so if you walk like... I don't know how distances work. Like half a block on a suburban neighborhood, it starts cutting out. So it's not the craziest amount of range, but you know, it gets the job done. You know, if you're just doing a simple video where you have a camera in front of you and you're doing just some talking, you know, it gets the job done for that. I do own the Sony lavalier mics, and those ones, like you can walk like a mile away and it still works, but honestly, in how many situations are you really gonna walk that far away, you know? So after reviewing all the footage, I gotta say this thing is quite amazing. If you already own a Rode lavalier mic, definitely go out and buy this thing. It's only 30 bucks, and you never know when you're gonna need a handheld microphone like this. If you're gonna do like an interview or something, this is like the microphone to get. Like note how this is the microphone to get, because if you want to get like an actual microphone like this that's wireless, you're gonna have to spend a couple $100 in order to do that. But with this thing, if you already own the Rode lavalier mic, then you can just, you know, put this $30 microphone casing on it, and boom, you already have a handheld mic. The only bad thing about it is that the distance is not the best on it. And also, if you turn it around with this microphone where your body is, you know, physically between the receiver and the transmitter, then it does lose connection sometimes. So that's something to keep in mind. But if you're directly in front of the camera and you're doing an interview like this, you're just like interviewing someone, then for situations like those, it works really great. You know, any of the downfalls are just gonna be, you know, from the microphone itself. And the thing about the Rode lavalier microphone is that It's good quality, you get good audio out of it, but it is kind of unreliable. If you want something reliable lavalier mic, I recommend this Sony lavalier mics. These Sony lavalier microphones, they're amazing. You get such amazing quality out of them. And if you own Sony cameras, then you can also plug them directly on the hot shoe with an adapter. That way you don't even have to use any cables to like use them with your camera, which I love about these transmitters. But the thing about these like expensive lavaliers, or pretty much any other lavaliers, they're not as modular as this one right here, you know. With these, you know, expensive ones, you can't do like a setup like this. You just have to buy another individual microphone for that. But with these Rode ones, you know, you can do crazy stuff with them. You know, you can either just attach the you can just attach the receiver and use it as a microphone, or you can just plug in any microphone to them, or you can just turn the whole thing into a handheld microphone. That's what I love about these microphones, but I just wish they were more reliable, and also it would be nice if they had removable batteries on them, so when you are using them on the field for a long time, then you can just, you know, you can just replace the batteries and just buy extra ones, and then you can keep going with it. With these ones, you just have to charge them through USB-C, and when they die, you just have to, you know, plug them in somewhere again. But let me give you guys a quick look. Let me give you guys a closer up look on this microphone. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and then you take the top off, and this is how it stands. It's surprisingly high quality, and as you can see, looks like that. You plop it on the top, boom, you get a handheld mic. But anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in this handheld microphone, check the description. I'll have links to both sorry, I just burped. I'll have links to both Amazon and B&H, so make sure to click on those. They might be affiliated. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. I make videos every single month usually. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.